gender equality with the women empowerment. They will pass. Under the blue, I don't mean to be rude. These people drink more than us. Don't be twisted by the fact that they've been drinking from a glass. Just glass, make them understand. If they never put some you get up in the club in Utona Sebastian, but put the wrong and fell again, put I goodbye a chance. I'm getting a cruise about and that thing. I told the answer was the only thing I get. Putting something in the house. About the mattress, Bapuzo when they carry babies. About Pilang and Tunes among Jamie on the Ellis, Nabafungabon. So the white pools and nature to say this. You equate this about crashing in the Mercedes. When I must say this, put this track up in your playlist. Because way back, I'm going to tell you to cook like their mother. Nowadays, I'm going to tell you they drink like the father. Is this government? No, I'm not blue Washington City with the gender equality on the women empowerment. Way back, I'm going to tell you to cook like their mother. Nowadays, I'm going to tell you they drink like the father. Is this government? No, I'm not gender equality on the women. The fertility address went to Mr. Government. This is God speaking. It's a sin. It is a punishment. The situation is getting worse or rather permanent. Hiding in the covenant. For the Matimon. Jenny is a lucky move. The fast of my son. This is just things and another band from the Papa Sadiba letting Ganya Puza people. For the winter, I'm not telling you, all there, all black baking, no sipping on the cognac. But nowadays, I think they're drinking in the payback. Like Chaka Chaka in the tape deck. Some of the ladies at that time were not respected. Nobody rejected. Yes, of course, they've been perfected. Some were selected. To honest prove it wasn't acted. Don't you think the Sacrament used to be resurrected? Because when the commentary used to cook like their mothers. Nowadays, commentary they drink like their fathers. It's the government. Mama Blue Washington is to visit gender equality with the women empowerment. Way back, way back, way back. Way back, way back, way back. Way back, way back, way back. Let's go. Way back, let's go. Back in the days, the woman's place was in the kitchen with the manja. Nowadays, the woman's place is in the bar. Gone are the days when the women had the vision. Now they only have a mission that's to show us who they are. Like Jella always. When they're thinking of their drinking, they're not sleeping because they're cheating and they want to take it far. Who will pay us saving? Like they're stealing and they're killing when they're feeling like they're cheating. Wait until they get a scar. This is just our name, but no sense of a pussy. The look of the good Pamyanya Gabo, Kusila, nobody to see the Pelufana, no Bakumusila, good Babuyan, and that's all that's never Huzugi. I'm sure we have most of the things that I've just said. It's just the confirmation so you never get paid. You know they like to drink and now pretend they have been paid at the end of the day, so because they got laid. When the commentary used to cook like their fathers. Nowadays, the majority they drink like their fathers. Is the government? Mama Blue Washington City. Is it gender equality with the women empowerment? Way back, way back, way back. Let's go. Way back, way back, way back. Let's go. Way back, way back, way back. Come on. Way back, come on. Way back, come on. Way back, way back, way back. Let's go. Way back, way back, way back. Let's go. Way back, way back, way back. Way back, catch me. Tell me how you feel about this. We're telling it like it is.
Survival tactics.